is the demonstration of the Global Den platform, and I'm going to take you through some of the navigation features as well as creating a pitch deck. So what you're seeing here is the dashboard of an entrepreneur. Here we have John Smith. He's created 1, 2, 3, 4 ideas in the field of AI. And once you create your idea, you're able to view your idea through the home function just by swiping left or right. Each idea has analytics at the top, represented by these bar graphs at the top, and they're able to go in and see the data that is given through expert input, either through a quantitative perspective or a graphical perspective. The notification tab is basically a notification for all the push notification features we have. So here as an expert, you're able to see if as an entrepreneur, you're able to see if an expert has commented on your ideas, if you had requested for collaboration and the entrepreneur has accepted, the expert has accepted or declined your collaboration request, as well as other push notification features, which is built in to our platform. And you will, if once activated, you will see the notification through the notification tab. And then there's also a main analytics tab where you're able to go through all the ideas you've created from right to left or left to right. And then we got the chat feature, and the chat feature is only available to you once you've requested for collaboration with an expert and they've accepted to collaborate with you. And then once you do that, you get the contact list. Here we got Keith Shanmugaratnam as the expert, and he's accepted to chat with you. So you just, once they've accepted to collaborate, you can immediately talk to them. And a push notification is sent to the expert's side of things on their platform. Then we got the key feature, which is creating a pitch deck. And then once you've created a pitch deck, all are displayed below the create pitch deck header. The other icon is your settings, where you're able to go in and input basic information such as your name, the display name that you want to use. You can choose your education. You can input your employment or current employment, your location. You can put a headline, whatever it is, a motivational thing or whatever you want it to be. And then you can also fill your personal summary. If you had done any changes, the apply button would show up and you can hit apply. And then at the top, you can see the Mensa Den, the Get Boost, and the Global Den Gold. These are all our subscription functionality. So if you hit the boost, you're able to purchase set number of boosts for a certain cost. And what this boost does is you're able to boost your idea as an entrepreneur, and your idea is displayed to or prompted to the top of the list of a particular industry. So for example, John Smith created idea in artificial intelligence. So if you bought a boost and you used it on your idea, so what it would do is it would push your idea to the top. And then all the expert in artificial intelligence industry would be able to view and validate your idea, because the algorithm is based on a ranking system. The Global Den subscription is you pay a certain fee and you get access to top global expert. You get a certain number of boosts. You get matched with industry experts. You get exposure to VCs, innovation hubs, and angel investors, and so forth. The Mensa Den is a elite group of experts, and they are put into that database once they've validated an idea through our platform and has taken that idea to market. And then for an entrepreneur to use this particular subscription model, they would pay a premium and get access to our elite experts. Okay. And then the final icon is the comment history. So this is where you're able to see your recent comments on an expert validation on your pitch deck. All right. So that's basically the navigation of the platform. Now I will take you through creating a pitch deck. So once you're in the pitch deck screen, you're able to hit create pitch deck, hit value proposition, and then first thing you do is you have to choose a image that you want to represent as your idea. So let's choose this particular image as your idea thumbnail. We're going to choose the industry. Let's choose fintech. I'm going to call this idea 4 or idea 5 for simplicity. And here we start filling out all the slides that is needed to complete a pitch deck. You're also able to add media to each slides separately. Let's put this image. And then I'm going to go to financials and publish. And here, once you created pitch deck, it is displayed. So you can see that we've inputted data for 3 tabs that were required. The gray area is where you didn't have, maybe the entrepreneur didn't have the data or the information, but they're able to go back and say, I know I have information on the product. I'm going to post the information now. And then if you go back to the pitch, now you know that there is the new data. The image didn't show up. I believe it's because I'm taking this quite quickly. So let's edit this and show you how the image works. So you hit on the image, you hit add thumbnail, select a particular image, wait till it load, hit done, you hit done, apply, go back, and if we refresh this now, we should have the image. There we go. Once you've completed your pitch deck, or if it's half complete, doesn't matter. Once you hit publish, you've published it. And then the expert's able to see that you've created this idea, and it's in their dashboard of all the experts in the artificial intelligence or the fintech. So this particular idea that we just created is in the fintech industry. So I will go into my other phone and upload downboard and give it a comment so you can see how it works. Here I just hit an upvote. So if I refresh this, you should see one as an upvote. And I'm just going to put random words here as a comment where you'll be able to see the push notification. There you go. And then if you refresh it, you're able to see the comment here. You can reply to the expert's comment, hit submit, and a push notification is sent to the expert side of things. So that's how you create a pitch deck, how you're able to edit a pitch deck, and how you're able to reply to comments. And then once you've done that and an expert has validated or commented, you're able to go to your dashboard, swipe left or right to see the idea that you created, and you can hit on the analytics, and you can see that there was 1 upvote, 1 view, and 1 comment, and it's represented through numerical and graphical data. And you can hit the collaboration feature where you're able to rate the expert based on their comment and the input that they've given you for pitch